Oh, God does not weep because he is weak. He weeps because you've forgotten who you are. This is a final cry from the heavens, not to break you, but to bring you home. Or when people misunderstand you, God understands. When friends walk away, he stays. When the world celebrates your mask, God reaches for your soul. He sees your silent nights, your restless questions, the smile you wear just to survive the day you think no one notices. But heaven weeps because you've started to believe the lie that you're alone. You're not. You've just forgotten how deeply loved you are. You've been carrying too much. Guilt that's not yours. Expectations that are killing your spirit. Pain you normalized just to keep going. And God is weeping because this was never your burden. He didn't create you to be a prisoner of your own mind. He created you to breathe, to rise, to live free. But freedom begins with surrender. And surrender begins when you realize you don't have to hold this alone, though this message isn't just content. It's a rescue mission. You're not watching this by accident. You were pulled here, maybe to remember, maybe to release, or maybe to finally return to yourself. When God weeps, it is not weakness. It is his final call to the ones he loves most, to the ones on the edge of giving up. If your soul has been aching, this is not the end. This is the beginning of your return. He's been waiting, not for perfection, but for permission to heal you. Oh, heaven has not forgotten you. And the tears of God are not for shame, they are for reconnection. This is your moment to release, to rest, to return. The pain ends when you stop hiding, and your healing begins when you allow yourself to be loved again. Don't ignore this. God is weeping, but he's still calling your name. Answer.